These days, the tendency of you receiving calls from unknown number is very high. In fact, in a single day, I receive up to 5 calls from unknown number advertising, which pissed me off. And if you're an iPhone user, you may likely have this experience and you're thinking of what to do to put an end to such experience. Then this is very simple thing, because there is a feature on iPhone that helps you put an end to unknown caller. This call will go straight to your voicemail, or it will not even ring out. Majorly if the phone number is not saved on your device. What you need to do is simple. Tap on settings, then scroll up to the apps, tap on it. From here, tap on search section and type in phone. Tap on phone. Once tap on phone, scroll down to the base of this page where you see this option, screen unknown caller. You can see here you have 2 options here, 3 options rather, but go ahead and tap on silence. Call from unsaved number will be silenced, sent to a voicemail, and display on the recent list. Calling and data rates may apply. That is first thing you have to do. So if the number is not saved on your device, you will not even notice that someone has called you, but you're going to see it as a missed call. It will send straight to your voicemail. There's another button you need to turn on right away here that says under call filtering, unknown caller. Tap on this button to toggle it on. Missed call and voicemail from unknown caller will be moved to unknown caller list. This is a very good feature if you are the type that receive call from a necessary number that calls you for advert. So this is what you need to do right away on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip, if not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Tap on that notification bell so that when we drop another important update on this channel, you have access to it as soon as possible.